Oh my God. Oh my God.
It is amazing. He not only stays with his camera, he stays with the action. Watch as he turns and follows the car as it's going along, unaware, of course, that the Cisneros car is coming his way. He leaves the camera and dives off to the side, and he's pointing to these guys off the side saying, "You okay? You okay? If you're okay, I'm heading back to the camera." And then he's going to go back over here and make sure that the drivers are okay. Of course, after he gets his cat.
Well, yeah, he has to listen to his producer down there to make sure. Goodness gracious me.
That is amazing.
A Tesla ripped apart in a nasty wreck early Monday. Witnesses say this white Nissan GTR ran a red light on Three Islands Boulevard and Hullendale Beach Boulevard, heading west.
That car was flying, hit the Model X Tesla right in the back. The Tesla flew apart. Next thing you know, the back wheels are flying this way. They hit this car over here.
Witnesses say moments before the wreck, the driver of the white Nissan
O cara acabou de capotar aqui no Ferro Azul. Puta merda, tira o cara aí. Como é que ele tá aí?
Lotus, I think you're going to be good, confident and strolling through. Well done. Well done. We're doing limbo again. Limbo. We got it. Oh no.
الحين بالروضة لا إله إلا الله شبت اللمبرجيني
If you look at all the other runs, the braking was quite close to the same, and
No. We definitely looked at the various runs that you've had, and you were pretty much on song in terms of the lines you've hit all day long.